What's good, YouTube? This your boy Chi World back at y'all again with another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. And today I will be showing you how to color in Illustrator like a boss. I'm gonna hurry up and get to it because I ain't gonna be making a video like most people. You know how they make you watch like 5 minutes into it. Then at the end of the video they get to the point. Bruh. I got you. I ain't gonna do none of that shit. We finna jump right into it. So we're gonna start out by I'ma just draw a simple picture. I ain't gonna call it simple. It's gonna be dope, cause you know what I'm saying. Your boy just naturally dope. Anyway, I'm finna draw a picture real quick so we can get to the coloring part.
What is that? Oh shit, what is that?
Now look, I know this ain't the best looking freezer in the world, but I remind you, this is just a how to color tutorial.
Oh my god.
You feel me? So, after you got your picture drawn, what you wanna do, you wanna select everything. Now we finna make every line that we draw, we finna make it one. We finna merge every line together. So after you got everything selected, go to Object, Expand Appearance, go to your Pathfinder, and click Merge. Now, we made every line I drew, we made it one. You know what I'm saying? I like to grab my layer and drag it to this blank sheet of paper to make a copy of it. Then I lock the top layer. And the reason I do that, because once I color this layer and I start adding my shadows, I keep that line work layer on the top. So every time I draw shadow, it'll fall under the line work. You know what I'm saying? It feels me. So after we got the top one locked, what you want to do is you want to make sure you got this second one highlighted. Pick the color you want to start out with. Start out with like a goldish yellow. Okay, then you're gonna click your box tool. Your rectangle tool. You're gonna click that once you got your color selected. You're gonna drag it over the line work. Okay, then you're gonna get your pointer tool. Click your color you just made over your line work. You're gonna right click it and go to Arrange and Send to the back. And after you send the color to the back of the line work, you're gonna highlight everything together. And once you got it all highlighted together, we're gonna merge it together to make it one. And then after we merge it, click off of it. Regular click onto it, then right click onto it. Then go to Isolate Selected Group. And look, you could click each color by itself after you click Isolated Selected Group. That's why it's important to make sure you got everything closed off when you're doing your line work. So I'm gonna delete this outer color. Once you get the hang of it, it'll just make everything faster for you. Okay, now we finna color the eye. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click one eye, and then we're gonna hold shift and click the other one so we can have two things selected at once. Then we're gonna go to our color and move it to whatever we want it to be once we then click OK once you find the color you want it to change to. Make his eyes red. This thing purple. So what you want to do now, you want to lock that layer. Come over here and get you a brand new layer and put it between it. And we're going to use this layer for our shadows. Now we're gonna add one more layer for our highlights, and that'll be all she wrote. So and there you have it, how to color in Adobe Illustrator, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. More heat coming soon. Stay tuned.